Hey students, it's Mrs. Ollinger. I'm just going to show you where to find the BOY writing prompt and or the Dropbox in case you're having trouble. You can go there two different ways. You can navigate by clicking on content, or the easier way in my opinion is look at the upcoming events. Oh, the BOY writing submission is due on September 4th. Let's click on that. Click on the writing assessment and Dropbox, and this is going to bring you to, yes, the Dropbox, but also to the prompt. So if you click on the prompt, it will open up the Word document with the prompt in it. I suggest you just write in that same Word document, save into your American Lit folder. And then when you're all done, again, there's the prompt. Choose one, write about it. Save it into your American Lit folder, and then upload it and submit. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. Best of luck on this, and this is just an assessment to see where your writing skills are at. Okay, and that's how you submit. Have a good day. Bye-bye.